Now, it isn't easy for a company the size of Microsoft to change direction, but it looks like it could be pulling off such a feat. Its latest earnings have beaten market expectations. Profits rose 13% in the fourth quarter, and that growth is being driven by a relatively new business, cloud computing services. Let's take a closer look. Now, for more on this, Santosh Rao joins me now from New York. He's the head of research at Manhattan Venture Partners, a merchant bank. Santosh, great to have you on the program. Microsoft seems to be pulling off quite an amazing feat, as we say. But can cloud computing keep on growing at the rate that it is?
Yes, it absolutely can. Just to put it in perspective, only 20% of computing is actually going in the cloud right now, is being done in the cloud. So there's a long runway ahead for people, for enterprises to move to cloud. So this is just at the early stage, I would say. And in terms of estimates, there are estimates going from 65 billion today to almost 160 billion by 2020. So there's a long runway ahead, and Amazon and Microsoft are leading the charge.
Well, you're right. Amazon and Microsoft are leading the charge, but it is also becoming a pretty crowded space. You've got IBM, SAP, to name just two others, and many others are trying to get into the cloud space as well. Isn't there going to be a compression of margins in all of this rush to the cloud?
Yes, I mean, there will be, but there is enough to grow. The market is growing, the pie is growing. So I think there is room for more than two players. You are seeing some price compression. You saw Amazon lower the prices on their AWS product last few quarters. So you're going to see that. But as the competition goes up, you'll see some compression there. But I think the volume is going to go up. So I think in the end, companies are going to benefit. And essentially, you have to look at the macro picture. The whole world, the computing is all going digital. So it's digitization going on all over the world. And Microsoft, Amazon, and to some extent IBM and Google, they are pretty much they're providing the tools for all this. So these companies are in the sweet spot of spending that's going on right now.
Very quickly, Santosh, we are running out of time, but one more question. How is cloud computing reshaping emerging economies? Is it taking jobs away, or is it a net positive for countries like that?
I think it's a net positive. It's taking away the mundane tasks. I think it's raising the intelligence level, the productivity levels. So I think in the end, productivity goes up, the enterprises save money, and there's enough to go around, so they'll hire more people.
Great. Santosh Rao, Manhattan Venture Partners in New York, thank you ever so much.